What do we need to do to turn it on?
I think it's on.
Is it on?
Cool.
There's a light right there.
Okay, I guess it's on.
Does that mean it's on? Is it taping?
I think it. Yeah, I think it's recording. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I don't like this.
This is really just disgusting business, and
I hate doing this. I don't want to touch him.
I know I don't like touching him either.
You
but this
hold
is
him, you
important.
secure him, you lock
Okay.
him.
Okay.
You lock him this time. Last time he moved, alright? I just...
Alright. Do I need to hold him more?
Yeah, hold him more.
Okay.
Hold him some more.
Oh God.
Fucking dare get hard.
Oh yeah.
This is disgusting.
Down!
Alright. Shit. Okay, my sister's a nurse and I can deal with this, okay?
Oh, yes you can.
Oh, shit. I got him. Alright.
You gonna leave that up while you stick it in?
Alright.
Oh. Yeah. That's.
I think it's in.
Oh.
You
Yeah.
hold him.
I got him.
Can you turn it on? Can you turn it on?
Oh God.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Oh! Holy shit!
Oh, God.
Yeah. Try to get that.
How does it make you feel? Oh, how does it make you feel?
How do you like it? How do you hold him? Hold him tight, man. Huh? You like this too?
Oh yeah. Oh come on.
Alright. Hey, Bear. Wouldn't it make more sense to let him shit into the toilet?
Oh.
The toilet. Let him shit into the toilet.
No! No! Why?
It's just easier. Cleaner.
No!
Just to go into the toilet.
No!
Oh. Here we go. Get it.
Oh yeah! Yeah! You like that, boy?
Oh, get it.
I'll get his pants up. You boys are sick.
You were in control the whole time.